I'm Parth Sharma, and I'm a student of University College of Engineering, Punjabi University, Patiala, and I'm here to give a presentation on ASP.NET 3.5. That is Active Server Pages.NET 3.5, or it uses .NET Framework 3.5 for the making of web pages and web applications. ASP is an excellent tool developed by Microsoft for the same purpose. The ASP is the power of inbuilt class library of .NET Framework and programming languages like VB.NET, C#, and J#. The current ASP.NET that we use is a successor of classic ASP that was developed by Microsoft few years ago. Initially, the classic ASP used VB scripts, which in place of which we now use VB.NET and C# and J#. Though the ASP and ASP.NET sound similar, but there's huge difference between the two. The biggest one that I can cite is that this classic ASP was not at all object-oriented, but the ASP.NET we currently use is fully object-oriented and utilizes object-oriented programming languages like VB.NET, C#, and J# for the production of web pages and websites. The second difference, which is also useful for many developers, is the code behind page model. The classic ASP used a single file or a single page for the collection of the HTML markup and the scripts using special signs of greater than or smaller than and percentage, which were known as directives, to distinguish between the two. So there was a difficulty faced by developers to debug the application. But now in ASP.NET, the files are separate for the HTML markup and scripts and the programming code that is developed by the programming languages like VB.NET and C#, and both are kept in separate files. Now, something about the ASP server. All the files that we make in ASP, like the .aspx files, .dbml files, and etc., are hosted on an ASP server, and it's the duty of the ASP server to render the HTML markup and the JavaScript to be sent to the client browser, so there is no difficulty for the end user in seeing that, because the client browser only accepts and can only display the HTML markup and the JavaScript. The HTML markup is used for the visual interfaces and everything that is shown, and behind it, the programming is done through JavaScript, which is rendered by the ASP server automatically. The programmer does not need to know JavaScript to actually program in JavaScript. That is the power of ASP.NET Framework.